ungayeki kuthandaza inkosina inamandla yona inkosina inamandla ngithi ungayaki hlala njalo sinyaweni sakhe.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
So I stopped this video by mistake. I really hope that you guys can hear me right, because I realized I don't know if it's a me problem or what, or all my phones are acting like this, because every time when I post, the sound of my videos is so low, like it's literally so low, and it's irritating me. And my thing is, when someone is watching, they will have to up the volume, and when it comes to music, it's gonna be louder, you get. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do. But anyways, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. If you're new here, welcome, and please do stay and become a part of my lovers and become a part of zithandwa zami. And please don't forget to tell your friends, cousins, mothers, grandmothers, and everybody to come tune into my channel. So my nails, they are effed up, but yeah, it's my son's birthday today. He's turning 3, and we are done with terrible 2s. We are in the extremely terrible, because 3 years is worse, guys. 3 years is worse, and we don't have much to do. We're just gonna chill with family and her cousin and his cousins and sister and me, my aunt and stuff. We literally do not have much, guys. It makes me so sad because it's January, so everything we do, we are calculating, right? So what's gonna happen is my husband needs to go to the shops and get a few things and a cake, right? And then I have to cook. I'm doing laundry. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but we were supposed to go somewhere, so I only did one. And the weather was, even now, it's cloudy. If I can show you, it's cloudy. So I'll see you guys as the day progresses. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this vlog, but yeah, I'll see you. Oh, yeah, pleasure land. Because I'm vlogging.
Abuya zizwana ngabe siyafika na izigalo sethu baba singabantwana bakho ngabubaxelele na bangamaso Yesu baba kumnyama khanyisa 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 baba kumnyama khanyisa thina singa bantwana bakho oh thina singa bantwana bakho thina singa bantwana ba
Yabona emhlabeni uthando lunjena litholakali kodwa ukuthanda wena dala kuyona mistake ukuthanda nguwe dala ukuthanda nguwe kumnandi njenge-milkshake all my life ngosuku lami lokugcina ngifisa ukumbona nguwe dali mame to you yes I need to
Popa modimo ampa hai moya oh halalela antoma lefatsheng lena ka morero le sepheo ka moa ampa botswadi ba lerato ke motlotlo ka bona bampontsha tsela bantataisa bantsubisa moneteng eleng teng.
So I'm making my daughter's lunch. I don't have a roller, guys. I've been saying I'm gonna buy it. So now I need to do this. I don't like at pep whenever I go there, but now because I'm now making my then I'm gonna use this on my hand.
Where you're going, but I do. And all the times you wasn't chosen, well, I'll make it up to you. All of the feelings you're not showing when your river's overflowing. It's the truth. I swear to you, I do. And all that you are, I do. My single line of stars in noon, reflection of the very moon, I do. Show my love for you. Can I show my love for you? Can I show my love for you? Cause I don't know how I feel, but I wanna try.
Hey my lovers, hey zithandwa zami, I'm opening up the vlog. I don't know if I did. But if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. If you're new here, welcome, and please do stay and become a part of my life. So we from the shops. It's late now. It's around 6. It's around 2:07. We left around 3 actually. So I passed by home and I took these for my aunt. And then my husband, someone was selling these 10 rand for 4. And then he got these. I don't know why, because we have a lot of them. So we went to ShopRite to actually buy meat, because the ShopRite that we usually buy at their scale for the meat, it was a lot at an affordable price. But at least I just like the fact that their things are fresh, man. So I had to top up on the the cheese for the lunch, and then top up on the, and then special for these. We haven't bought the groceries. We just wanted to top up for and then we had to top up this. It was 36 for 2. And then they asked for this. I don't even know if it's nice or what. I'm gonna have this at school because I got influenced. I got these. I got 4 of these. I was supposed to buy 5 or 6. I got this. This is a sea breeze. Jasmine floral delight. And then the lemon tangy delights. 2 of the lemon tangy delights. So but it lasts for how many days? 30 days. And then I got this. My gran, every time when my gran bought this, she will call me and say, I bought ispagela, like my favorite. I hope it still tastes the same. And then we got our meat that I'm supposed to divide. This is the meat. These are beef bangers, if you guys can see. And we still need to buy some stuff. And this is the meat. I need to divide so that when I cook, I don't do sconge, baby. Yeah, I take out a portion for the day. Sorry. I'm about to do that.
Fly away, my heart, don't despair. The world is full of joy. You cry, you smile, then you dance. Oh, baby, even though sometimes it's a drag to toil without a gain. You cry, you smile, then you dance. Do 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 do. Celebrating life is real, but not without a cry. Celebrating life is good, but not without a smile. Celebrating life is sweet, but not without a dance.
Hey my lovers, it's zami. I look a mess because I'm a mess. But anyways, I'm going to fetch my daughter from school, so you guys are gonna come with me. And there's nothing much to it. I'm just trying to have content, and yeah, there's really nothing much. So please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like my video. And yeah, I think I never said Happy New Year. Happy New Year. It's almost the end of Jan, and I'm really hoping this year is better and gentle, and that God takes me out of his strongest soldiers in J, because I don't wanna be in that list anymore. But yeah, I don't know when are you guys gonna get this vlog, because I think I've decided that I want to post on Mondays. But we shall see. So I need to order an Uber right now, to call an Uber to go fetch my daughter, because my husband is at work and she's not using transport as yet. She's only gonna start in Feb. But yeah, I just wanted to update you and take you guys along with me, and I really hope I'm not gonna show you her or her school or whatever, but if we come back and I didn't vlog anything, but I just wanted to tap in. So guys, we're back and I'm about to do laundry because I need to wash my daughter's uniform. So here I'm washing her socks, and then I'm gonna wash her tunic and everything else that's left. So yeah, she's back, baby girl. Hey, baby girl.
Oh, it's over. Oh, the mess over. Oh, the stress over. Oh, no more crying in public. All of bipolar. Finally over. Oh, you are praying.
Hey my lovers, hey zithandwa zami, hope you guys are good. Well, I do not have much to say. I want to close up this vlog and nothing much. I'm actually forcing myself to vlog because I literally do not have any content, like none so ever. So today what I did, I didn't take you guys with. We woke up and we had to go to a school meeting. We went to the school meeting, we came back, we ate, and I had to clean the house and wash the dishes. Yeah, that's all. I literally do not have much actually, so I thought let me come on here. Probably next week I will have a right set.